Mastering critical reasoning, the art of spotting premises and conclusions. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we are diving deep into the realm of critical reasoning, especially focusing on the skill of identifying premises and conclusions. This is a crucial aspect of the GMAT Verbal Reasoning section, and mastering this can significantly boost your score. Premises are statements that provide the reasons or evidence, while the conclusion is the main point that the author is trying to make, based on those reasons. Imagine a detective who has gathered clues, premises, and from those clues, makes a final deduction, conclusion. In the same way, when you're reading a passage, you need to pick out the clues, premises, that support the main point, conclusion. Premises are the foundation of an argument. Here are some common keywords that often introduce premises. Because, since, given that, due to. For example, in the statement, because it rained heavily, the match was cancelled. The reason provided for the cancellation of the match is the heavy rain. That's our premise. Conclusions pull everything together. Watch out for these keywords which often signal a conclusion. Therefore, thus, hence, so, in conclusion. For instance, she has been studying all night, so she will likely ace the test. Here, the main point or prediction is that she will ace the test. That's our conclusion. 1. Keyword approach. As mentioned, look for those keywords. They are usually good indicators. 2. Question approach. After reading a statement, ask yourself, what point is the author trying to prove? The answer to that is usually the conclusion. 3. Structure of statement. Often, the conclusion comes at the beginning or the end of the argument. If you're confused, look in these places first. And that's a wrap on today's lesson about premises and conclusions in critical reasoning. Remember, like any skill, identifying premises and conclusions gets better with practice. So keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at breaking down arguments on the GMAT. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck with your preparation.